There's, of course, a massive claim as well that has come out with a former Chief Minister of Punjab. In fact, from what we understand, politics has erupted over the Poonch attack, and the former Punjab Chief Minister, Channi, has now made a big claim on this particular attack. Channi has called this attack as the BJP's poll stunt. Now, Channi has said that this is an attack which was pre-planned by the BJP. Amandeep joins us on the broadcast to get us more details on this. Amandeep, on one hand, we look at the security forces trying their best to keep the nation safe. On the other hand, we've got these politicians now playing petty politics, calling this BJP's poll stunt. Is there any proof that Channi has, or is this again something that he's just claiming out of the thick air?
Rajiv, this is a very vague statement given by Charanjit Singh Channi, who is contesting from Jalandhar Lok Sabha seat. And when the local reporters asked him about the attack, instead of condemning that attack, instead of praising the contribution of the forces of the Jawans, he has straight away attacked the BJP, targeted BJP, that BJP has made a political stunt and they are trying to benefit out of these attacks. And in fact, he again claimed that these kind of attacks were pre-planned to benefit the BJP nearby the polls only. So Congress again disrespecting the soldiers, Congress again disrespecting the contribution, in fact, of the soldiers through seeing this entire incident through the political eye. And in fact, Charanjit Singh Channi, who was a former Chief Minister of Punjab, who is himself contesting these elections, he's only having one thing in his mind, that target BJP at any cost, either ways. He's not very much familiar about the security forces, that how they are tackling the terrorism in the Wadi, in Jammu and Kashmir, and even several other parts also. He's not aware about the forces' operations. He's not aware about that how the ambushes being done by the terrorists against the security forces, and they are dealing with a very uncertain situation. But the Congress is entirely focused to target the BJP.
Right, of course, Amandeep, appreciate you joining us on the broadcast. But the big question here is if the Congress is now repeating the same mistake that they did in 2019, again linking politics to such security attacks. In fact, let's also listen into what the former Punjab Chief Minister had to say. Right, as we await for that particular reaction to come in, let's also focus on what exactly the former Punjab Chief Minister has said. In fact, I'm told that we already have the reaction coming in from the former Punjab Chief Minister. Listen in.
कि ये स्टंटबाजी हो रही है, हमले नहीं हो रहे। पिछली बार भी जब इलेक्शन आते हैं तो ऐसे स्टंट खेले जाते हैं और बीजेपी को जिताने का संविधान तैयार किया जाता है। ये तैयार किए हुए सारे पहले से तैयार करके हमले करवाए जाते हैं। ये बीजेपी को जिताने का एक स्टंट होता है, इसमें सच्चाई नहीं होती। लोग मरवाने और लोगों के लाशों पे खेलना ये बीजेपी को आता है।